Hey, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back with another video, and we're gonna install the Studio Sync shelf today. Here we go. First things we're gonna look at is the tools that we need. First we need this impact drill with a Phillips drive. We'll need a level and some screwdrivers. First things we want to look at is which wall we're putting it on. I plan to put it right there. Here we go. First thing we want to do here is to see where we're going to install it. And in this case, we want to see it right in the middle of our table, which is this guy right here. What we want to do here is we want to take our bracket, put it on where we want it. In this case, I'm just eyeballing it. We take our level, put it above it, and try to hold it together, making sure we are leveled, and we mark it with our pen.
There we go.
Next thing we want to use here is our drill. We want to take one of these guys, the white one. And place it in our drill. Take a drill, place this right in the end, and now we're ready to drill. Remember where you marked your spots, drill it there. Slowly but surely now, making sure you don't hit stud. If you do hit stud though, you can use the screw right into it, which makes it stronger actually. But in our case, I don't think we're gonna hit it. Therefore, we'll use this anchors. Again, slowly but surely. There we go. As you can see there, we have our anchors now. Very nicely done. We will now use the long screws. Again, same way as we use the anchors. We use it with our drill. Here we go, let's drill our holes. Nice and slow now. Making sure we're not losing thread. Final touch is to level it before it's fixed. And there we go. Now you see these two parts right here, the anchors, that'll go into our shelf. Again, there's two holes right here. We'll just slide it in. Just like that. Now remember from my last video, if you haven't seen it, please check it out, the unboxing of this shelf. I explained that there's two screws that'll stabilize the shelf. Let's do that right now. What we want to do here is to check if we're still level. There we go, we're good. And then we're gonna screw in the two short ones on the bottom. Go, nice and easy. You gotta take your time take it slow on these guys. Just enough, don't over tighten. And that's it. Check again. Final, if you're still leveled. There we go. What do you think, guys? As you can see, we have our shelf, and let's try out the sounds. Let's take our phone here and let's play some sounds. It's very nice. As you can see, guys, this is very nice. Now you can enjoy music with your Bluetooth shelf and have stuff on top of it. Very nice. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. See you next time. Peace.
1, 2, 3.